Lift up the lining in the trunk. Hook the trunk lining to the vehicle to keep it out of the way while you're working.
So right here, again, I don't know if this is exactly where this is supposed to be, but right here, this is going to be the tool that you need for your headlight housing to get the headlights out. This is where you get the tool to change your headlight. And right here, there's a little hole. We're going to put this down in here. You may or may not physically be able to see what we're showing you right now, but that is what it looks like. It does tell you right here which way to turn it to lock it and unlock it. So on this side, we're going to turn it clockwise. On the opposite side, it'll be counterclockwise. You'll kind of see the housing come out a little bit. And there we go. You can kind of see the housing is loose now, which means that essentially we have this where we need it. And then we should be able to just theoretically slip this housing right out here, guys. Okay?
Disconnect the bulb housing. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Now you can replace your housing with a new one.
Guys, I just want to show you here, this bar is essentially what holds on the headlight housing. Now, if you notice that it's like this, you want to make sure that this part is kind of down. So you want it in this position here before you go back and reinsert your headlight housing.
Make sure any hoses or wires going to it are not pinched and it's positioned correctly. Reconnect the bulb housing. Push the connector straight in to connect the bulb housing. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle.
You may need to wiggle the housing while you push to get it back in position. If you're having trouble, try inserting it at an alternate angle.
We can come over here and we're going to turn this counterclockwise. On the opposite side, it'll be clockwise to kind of lock that housing into place. So pull that guy out.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure. Make sure that all the components fit snugly and are tight. Otherwise, you may hear a rattle when you're driving.
Replace the trunk lining.